Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Pinkin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.2 PCIe adapter. So the model name is the Archer TX3000E. So this comes right under 200 ringgit Malaysia. So that's about 40 to 50 USD dollar. And then this also comes with 3 years of warranties. And as you can see, this is the red color ones with red color board, and then also the heat sinks that should provide good cooling so that it maintains the speed. And then it also extends out with 1 meter RF cable. You have magnetite base with 2 high band antenna, so it should allow you to get better coverage and also more stable speed. And this comes supported for Windows 10 and 11. So right off the bat, you can also see that TP-Link is also claiming it is the world #1 Wi-Fi provider for consecutive 10 years. So so the speed says here unrivaled dual band speed, 2402 Mbps, and also plus 574 Mbps, and also 75% ultra low latency, smoother experience. CPU, Intel Wi-Fi 6 chipset for reliable connections, and wider signal coverage with magnetized antenna base. So what's in the box? So you have the Archer TX3000E, the magnetized antenna base with 1 meter RF cable, 2 high gain dual band antennas, low profile bracket, Bluetooth header cable, quick installation guide, and resource CD. I don't know in what age they still include this, but they could have just excluded for their cost and then also environmental friendliness. So they also recommend some of their TP-Link's Wi-Fi 6 and router here, but that's not all we're talking about today. And lots of language here. What's behind the box? So I'm your PC with next gen Wi-Fi technology, Wi-Fi 6, but Wi-Fi 7 was just announced like a few days ago. But anyways, it has a broader coverage than ever. Bluetooth 5.2, which is the latest Bluetooth, good. Superior Wi-Fi receptions, fine crafting for reliability, and low profile bracket. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So right off the bat, in the box itself, you can see these 2 high band antenna here. They are pretty long and wrapped with plastic, which is good, and you can twist it. Likewise this too. So you have 2 here, and then this is the magnetized base here. As you can see, 2 connector here for the dual band antenna, and this is the 1 meter RF cable, and this end connects to your adapter. So to show it's magnetized, you can see, and it's pretty strong, so it should stick onto your computer case easily or any other metal space. And you can move it at around 1 meter away from your computer so that you get better coverage. And then you also get this USB to your F USB. This connects to your PCIe adapter, and you can install this for your Bluetooth connection, but if you do not need Bluetooth, you can choose not to install this. And then this is the low profile bracket here. Let's put the PCIe adapter aside first and see what's inside the box. The Bluetooth PCIe adapter, quick installation guideline, and the resource CD. Just gonna throw this away. And this is the adapter itself. As you can see, it's all red. TP-Link Wi-Fi 3000 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.0 PCIe adapter, model number Archer TX3000E. All red here, red board, red heatsink, and this section should provide ample cooling for the adapter to stay on top of its performance. And then you can see in front of here there is a connection for this cable for your Bluetooth. And then you can install your antenna directly here, but that's not what we buy this model for. You want to extend it out with this, and then you get better coverage here. So I will be installing this into my PC, and I'll make a guide on this. So remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find it useful, and do stay subscribed so that you can see my latest video posts and guides. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.